Hey, how you guys doing? Edgar's from Solo Marketer here, and I'm gonna speedrun you guys through the process of setting up like a very simple sales funnel. So essentially, it's like a sales page, a thank you page. We'll have like an example course, and then we'll connect it all together. And hopefully, I'll do it in 15 minutes or less, just to just to quickly show you guys. I'm not gonna dive into like great detail. But yeah, I just want to show you like what it looks like and how it all connects together, just to give you a good idea. And the best part is we're gonna create it on system.io, which you can see I have a free account open, and all of it can be done on a free account. So you can just you can create all of the stuff mentioned, even host a course and all the videos and everything for free. Like not a free trial, actually free. So yeah, definitely take advantage of that, especially if you're starting out. This is the best way to go, instead of getting like a 14-day free trial and then paying $130 a month. So yeah, try this out. So when it comes to creating sales funnels, or any funnel for that matter, like for your own needs, you have two options, right? You can create your own from scratch. You can go in, system has their templates, and then some of them are good, some of them are just especially for sales pages. They look more like websites instead of sales pages. So your other option is, which is a bit of a shameless plug right at the beginning, is I have prepared a sales funnel template below, which first I suggest just go through the video, see what I do, and then you have a template below that you can claim within 10-15 seconds to save literally 10 hours of your time. You can just plug it into your account for free, and then you have the sales page, like the course template, everything, and just you don't have to create all the sections from scratch. You just have to edit them to your own needs. So after you watch the video, check the description below if you're interested. If not, you can create it from scratch, and this video will kind of show you, be a good enough guide to show you how to create all this stuff as well, just by yourself. First things first, I just want to show you how simple it is. Like once you claim the funnel from me, it's simple as that. You click on it, and it gets added to your account. Just like that, right? We're going to have a sales page. We're going to have a thank you page. We're going to make it really simple. Just if you want to sell a digital product, for example. And also we're going to claim a course funnel template, which will come in play a little bit later. Just as an example. It's not an actual course. It's just an example one. And let's get right to it. Let's go to the, so we have funnels open. If you check funnels, I just claimed the sales funnel. If you click on it, we have two pages that we can edit. So obviously you have to edit them to your own needs. So let's go to click on sales page, click edit page. First, we're going to edit the sales page to like this product's needs, right? So you can see here's like a hook, just basically what it is. And then kind of address some of the pain points, some of the benefits, list out everything that's in the course, all the perceived value, which this is kind of subjective, right? It's a perceived value. There could be a book where the perceived value is $97. So that's kind of, don't go crazy with that, but this is a common marketing thing. It's called a value stack. Same here, bonuses along with the base offer, testimonials if you have them. If you're starting out, they understand you don't have them, then just take this section out, which you can do by hovering over the green until it turns green. This section, you can just click on the trash icon, click on it, okay, and it takes it out. You can do that with any element. Like if it doesn't, like in the end, there's the FAQs. If you just don't have anything, you just delete the section, right? So you can do that. And if you want to, so obviously what I would do is once you claim this, you can like just replace the image to have your own product in here. You can click in here. You can just kind of, edit the text, just start typing in. So what I would do, I would just kind of take this and just replace it with your own thing, right? So just replace all the, like what do you discover, just kind of describe the benefit. And then, just see right here, it's like, oh, this is a pain point. This is, they're another pain point, another benefit. Just as you see what's written here, just adjust it to your own need, right? Just type it in. And then obviously you can delete these images as well. If you just click on it, click here on the trash icon, or you can just hover over the element and just delete it like this, or you can replace it with yours. Let's undo. So just go through the page slowly, step by step, make edits. All the structure is here, all the main elements. you know, for the emotional buyer, the logical buyer, and also there's an urgency element here as well, which is here. If you click on it, you can adjust whether it's daily, like just every day it ends at this time, or you can do like a specific date once it runs out, and then you can redirect to a different page once the, you know, if it's like a promotion until, like, let's say until Monday, right? Then you can set the timer to like a specific day. You can do a fixed time and date, and yeah, pick the date, and then you pick redirect to URL, and you can put in your URL that it's going to redirect to after this promotion is over. So that's kind of the urgency element. As for the form, keep it as is. We'll see afterwards what it looks like, but let's just keep it basic as is. You collect their information here, and then the next page you collect their credit card data, and you know, to process the payment. That's pretty much simple as that. And yeah, just go through the page and just basically replace words to whatever your offering is, and whatever your target customers, target audience, whatever their pain points are, and whatever what they're trying to achieve. Yeah. So once we're done with that, let's click on Save Changes. Let's exit. Thank you page. Simple as that. It should just basically say, yeah, let's edit the page. Just basically say, congrats, you did it. Expect it within, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, whatever. And in case of any questions, email me at, and then write in your email address, right? .com. In case they wrote in the wrong email, right? Sometimes they do it. Instead of writing .com, they write .con, you know, for their own email that they put in the form. So it's a good thing that your email is here. Otherwise, they'll think you're scamming them, because they're not going to receive anything. So yeah. So have your email here just in case. They can come back to this and they can email you, hey, sorry, I didn't receive it. So definitely do that. And then let's save it. Let's exit. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to courses. Let's just close this stuff. So I also, as you saw at the beginning, there's a third link where I claim the course, which is what we're selling. In this case, it's a digital product. It's a course, right? So this is the one we claimed, basic course template. So what a course consists of is modules, right? And under each module, there's the lectures. So whatever your structure is, just remember, with a free account, you can do one course only. So this is just, you can do like a million modules, whatever your structure is to it. That's up to you. But yeah, so here you can see the modules, and then we can actually, yeah, let's preview just to show you. Let's activate a couple, and I'll let you know what that means in a second. So let's just say, yeah, let's activate. Just to show you, yeah, in real life, if you click view, it's going to look something like this, right? These are the modules, and these are the lectures. If you click on a lecture, it just shows you everything. It doesn't need to be this complicated. So what we're going to do is, yeah, for each lecture, whatever way you structure it, you can, you can just click on the lecture itself, and just like the page builder, you can just go in. I usually do a video, headline, short description. And if there's any download links, put them down below, right? I keep it simple. This looks like a blog post or a landing page or whatever. So just delete all those extra sections. And then obviously save it in the end. So once you have all your lectures set, right? Let's say you have 3 bonuses, 1, 2, 3. So you need to activate them, right? This icon is vital. As you saw in the preview, there was only 1 bonus visible. Once you have actually set everything up, you need to activate them. And the reason is, as you're creating it, you don't want people to see it, right? So by default, it's not active. But once you've actually created it, you change the status. Same thing for the main one, right? These are inactive, so you need to go and activate them. So now as you go preview, view, see there's only, in the first lecture, 3 out of 5 are visible because the other 2 are inactive. So always keep that in mind. And now, once we have created a course, we have a sales page. We need to connect them together. People go on a sales page, they pay you money, they should receive it in their inbox, right? Simple as that. So let's go back to the funnel. Sales page. Oh, also, I forgot. Let's go to edit page quickly. Same thing as with the course. You can preview your pages, right? You save it, and then you click the preview icon. There you go. You can actually, it hasn't loaded in fully, but you can actually see everything, right? Once you create the page. So make sure to do that as well. Let's go back. So now what you want to do is you want to set a price point, how much they're going to have to pay for your course, and also connect it to the course. So once they pay, they get automatically added to this course and they can access it, right? So let's go to, let's set it all up. So once you're on sales page, you just scroll down, you click resources. This is the course we're going to connect to, right? Courses, choose a course. This is the course template you claimed, and we just kind of made some minor things, edits or something. And then just select, you can select full access, partial, drip. Drip means you can do like one module per week or one module per day, just slowly drip it in. Partial means you can give them access to specific modules. This is based on modules, right? And you can do full access. This is for like low ticket products, especially. Just give them everything, right? So usually I do this, but if you do like, there's like a larger structure, you can change things up, but just to keep it simple, full access. Now we set the price plan. Choose a price plan type. So again, one-time payment, simple as that, $97, that's it. Subscription, monthly, recurring, with no end date. And payment plan, if it's like instead of, let's say $997, it can be like 3 times $367, right? So there's like 3 options. So we'll do one time. You can do several price points, but we'll just do one for simplicity's sake. You can do, we can choose an existing if you have created one, but we're going to create a new one just in case this is your first time, right? So as the example states, these two will be the one that these two you type in. These will show up on the invoice that they receive, which is automated, and also on the sales page, which you'll see in a second. It shows like your pricing options, and this will be the name that's showing up. And this thing, I think if I remember correctly, this shows up in like the bank statements, whatever. So let's just do simple. And here, one-time payment, 27, for example, right? Save. And it should be simple as that. So now, if we go to the sales page, oh, by the way, change the links. Guide, for example, right? Or not guide, for example. And then, let's click on this thing, the link icon. Let's open the page. And let's scroll to the bottom. Actually, I'm going to put in my information quickly just so we can, this is like a 2-step process, right? They put in their basic info, you collect their email, you can do cart abandonment sequences later if they put in their name and email, but then they leave, which is a big portion of people, a significant portion, and then you can retarget them once you have their information. So I'm going to quickly put this in and I'm going to show you the credit card part. And here you can see, this is the second step. Once we put in the name, email, all that information, here's the name that we gave to the price point, and this is the price. And in some countries, like let's not do that. It might do the VAT thing as well, like the extra tax, but this depends on Stripe in my case, but whatever whatever payment plan, payment processor you've connected it to, it will depend on that, whatever the laws are and all that. So yeah, that should kind of cover it. I'm not sure how much time it took. I can't see at the bottom. But yeah, that's basically, just go below. If you want to go the easy route like this, you just claim the template below. There's a couple more freebies. You can check them out. There's I also have like a landing page template, and also for free, it comes with an explainer video with like a welcome email template, all that stuff below. And also a free training on how I'm making money with System.io myself. It's like a 10 to 12 minute video. You can check that out as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments, or whether you like the video or not, or maybe something is unclear. And also, if you're interested in how to build a landing page from scratch, there should be a video showing up on the page somewhere here on the video. So if you're interested in that, go check that out as well. But yeah, if nothing else, then hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.